Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Boombox 2 second generation wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason, if it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you can't get it fixed and you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and that I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete and clear the pairing history so that you can go ahead and get the settings back to the way it was when it came out of the box, and you can just set it up like new. It's really easy to do. You just need to first of all have the speaker turned on, and once the speaker turns on, you're just going to find this volume up button and the play button here, and you're just going to press and hold them both simultaneously for more than 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds the speaker will turn off and then it will automatically reboot back into its factory default, so you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker.